So here's how to add page on LibreOffice. We'll start off with the LibreOffice application. If you don't have it, you can download it for free. So to get started, we first need to open up a file to add a page to it. So head over to your file location and drag it on to LibreOffice. And as you can see, the file is now open here. And on the left side, you can see all the pages it has. Here on the top and on the left side, you will get to see all of these options. From the top, let's select Page and then click on New Page. As you can see, a new page has been added. Since my first page was selected, the new page was created right after it. If you select another page and then add a new page, it will be added after your selected page. This way, you can easily add pages wherever you want, and that is exactly how to add page on LibreOffice.